purpose of this video is going to be to show how to properly measure a replacement door. This one's in brick, so we're going to take 3 measurements on the width. Again, measuring doors is the same as windows. It's always width first, and when you're looking at stuff, it's always viewed from the outside. This particular door is hinged on the right hand side, so it's a right hand in swing, and we're going to take the 3 measurements to get the width of it. And again, we're going to measure from the brick over to the brick, and it is at 35 7/8 at the bottom, 35 7/8 at the middle, 35 3/4 at the top. So we're going to go from the narrowest measurements, which is 35 3/4. I'm going to take 1/4 of an inch off of that because it's in a masonry opening. So that would be 35 1/2 inch tip to tip measurement for the width. Then we're going to do the height. And again, we're going to do the height. It's going to be from the bottom of the sill. So hook the tape measure radian underneath the sill there. And go up to your steel lintel, which is going to be at about 83 3/8, and you're going to take 1/4 of an inch off of that. So it'll be 83 1/8 would be your height measurement. Typically you would check all 3 spots, but this particular system, they have a cement right up to the sill. So we're going to just go with the 1 measurement on that side.